Hey, good morning, everybody. E.V. Durrell. So, attached, you're going to find numerous videos that I've done over the last 2 weeks. I just took a video here and a video there of some of the hurricane debris, boats, appliances, whatever I saw when we were driving in short distances near Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, just some of these areas. So, stay tuned. And please like and subscribe. God bless. This is Punta Gorda, Florida, along the harbor. Today is October 31st. The last two hurricanes came through here, and this is bad, really bad. I'll just let you guys view. Give an example, this boat, the harbor is on your left, so it came up through the harbor, across the road, and is right there. I'll take some more video later. This is Harbor Boulevard, west of Tamiami Trail or Route 41. Surge came up here. This was, oh, road closed. What? I can't get there from here. Okay. I guess since everything's destroyed in the park, we can't get there. Did they get some of them boats out of there? Nope.
I thought,
there's a couple. Did they open that?
I thought you were going to park and charge.
I thought about it, but then I thought we'd pull down here. I want to get a close up of these boats if they're going to let us in here. This is crazy. Let me go around. We'll get a close up of these boats. And I am sure, since the harbor.
Because, yeah, I kind of wanted to try to get on that side of the harbor. It looks like people are over there.
Why do you want to go back over there then? And we could charge and.
Yeah, I mean you can get pictures of the boats and stuff.
Yeah, let me get some pictures here. This is. Well, there's the harbor, and then these are not supposed to be up here. There's two boats side by side. A sailboat over on the other side of this boat. Wow. That's bad.
Yeah, I'd like to walk by.
Okay. All right. This is the famed Tiki Hut restaurant in Punta Gorda at the harbor. Look what the last hurricane did with all of the walkways. Totally destroyed. Tennis courts.
Okay, I was gonna wait till we got a little bit closer.
Okay. Yeah, it was just.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Man. This Gilchrist Park, is what they call this. Goodness gracious. With a water line halfway up the tennis court.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
That sailboat on the tennis courts. That's terrible. This is Fisherman's Village pier. These boats are devastating. There's a couple that are sunk in the back. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Over there, sailboat. Sunk, you can just see the top of it sticking out. Back everywhere you look. Just total devastation.
Oh, no, that's...
No, it's up right up here, I think. Okay. Behind it, so. Up in the yards, there's just boats everywhere. Huh.